Let's explain what process finished with exit code 0 inches means in Python. In simple terms, when you run a Python script, the operating system treats it as a process. After the script completes its execution, it needs to tell the operating system whether it finished successfully or if something went wrong. This is done using an exit code. An exit code is a numerical value that indicates the status of a program's termination. A process finished with exit code 0 means that your Python script completed its execution successfully and without any errors. It's a good thing. It signals a clean and successful termination. The number 0 is universally recognized as the success code across many programming languages and operating systems. 1. What causes a non-zero exit code? If your script encounters an error, such as a zero division error, an unhandled exception, or an issue accessing a file, it might terminate prematurely. In such scenarios, Python will often return a non-zero exit code, typically indicating the type of error encountered. These non-zero codes often need to be interpreted based on how the specific program or library decides to exit. Each type of error might have a different code. You will find information about the specifics of error codes in your program's documentation, or more generally for standard library exceptions, through the Python documentation. 2. How to check the exit code. If you're running your script from the command line, like in your terminal or command prompt, the exit code is usually displayed after the script finishes. It will often show the code directly or mention it indirectly. For example, it might indicate the script finished successfully implicitly, meaning code 0. Or it may show a return code or the equivalent. In this case, you'll need to understand the particular conventions used for your system. For example, Windows versus Linux, Mac OS. 3. Using exit codes in larger scripts. In larger projects and workflows, exit codes are invaluable. You can use them to monitor the progress of individual scripts or processes within a larger program. You can set your scripts to return specific exit codes to report errors or partial successes, providing more information to your controlling program or script. For example, you could write a script that processes several files, returning an exit code of 0 if all files were processed successfully, and a non-zero code if some processing failed. 4. How to set exit codes in Python. If you need to control the exit code yourself within your Python program, you can use the write single quote sys.exit function. You can supply an integer argument to write single quote sys.exit to specify the exit code. For example, write single quote sys.exit 0 indicates success, while write single quote sys.exit 1 might signify a general error. Remember to handle exceptions properly and use appropriate non-zero exit codes to relay specific error information. In summary, seeing process finished with exit code 0 inches is excellent news. It confirms your Python script ran flawlessly and completed all tasks as expected. Understanding exit codes lets you develop more robust and reliable applications.